Hi, my name is Manjogami, and this
I'm
is
Mario the Great.
yeah. We are now here.
We're now here conquering the Carjack Hill, but unfortunately, we have to stop at the middle
Yeah, but
because
I think
it's
we're more than a half.
more than a half.
Okay, more than a half already.
Whew,
So that's the killing part, the cardiac killing part. There, the uphill.
whew.
Whew.
We can make it through the day.
Yeah. Alone, restless, breakfast table.
Yes.
Kanta yun ah. Don't call me daughter.
Yes. Don't call me.
Whew. So this is our first trip, first adventure in Tagaytay. Yeah, we're hoping and we're looking forward to get up there.
That is one of our companion.
Yeah, he's the third. Yung kakambal niya nandun first. Kambal niya ba?
Kapatid.
Ah, kapatid pa, bro.
Ganun pala ang style niya, no?
Ano?
Iniikot-ikot.
Oo nga eh. Massive.
Darating ka rin. Yun pala.
So that's the South China Sea.
Ikot-ikot pala.
Kaya pa! Carjack kill eh.
Utol mo pala si Emot?
Ah, kilala mo?
Ba't niya si Emot pala sa Pascual?
Ah,
Ayoko na.
Namukhaan ka nga, kamukha mo raw si Emot.
Magkita ako, sabi ko, ba't parang kamukha na ito si Roque?
ah, klase ba? Anong name mo?
Jojo.
Ah, Jojo. Sige, sabihin ko sa kanya. Ano siya eh, jogging naman siya eh.
Buta siya si Utol, bumabalis kayo dyan eh.
Ah, bumaba na.
Di, nandun yung utol mo.
Nauna.
Akyat, walang tigil nga. Dire-diretso. Failure.